Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel GB Investors. So today in this video we are going to see a basic how to draw basic support and resistance and trend lines, okay, and how can we trade with simple support and with simple resistance. So first of all, let us know what is a support and resistance. What is the meaning of support? When a price is falling down, there is some point where the price is not letting you to go down. Means when the price is coming down, there is something stopping you, which does not allow the price to move down. That place, that spot, that specific point is called as our support zone. And the price where the price does not goes above the level, the price is something, the point where the price stops, and from there the price continues to fall down, that will be mentioned as our resistance level. So now let us see. So this is the candle where the price has given a good move, and this is the level where it has stopped, okay. So this is the level. I won't say this is the exact support zone. You should not see candle by candle support zone. So you should try to mark the important zones. I would not tell the exact level also. I would try to tell the few important zones where we feel like the price is, yes, the price moved to such an extent and came back to that level and it is trying to stop there. So here we can mark one support zone. So this will be our first support zone. Next, from here you can see here, from here this is a 15-minute candle, and this is a Delta exchange platform, and the currency is, the crypto is BCH USD, okay. So it's a 15-minute time frame. So here you can see that the time from here almost it has stayed to 3.5 hours, okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 11 12, okay, 3.5 hours. Almost the price is sustained at this particular level. You can see the tip of the candles has got very sharply rejected from this level. So where the price is rejecting at a level is called as our support zone. So we can mark this level as our support zone, okay. So this becomes our support, where the price is exactly trying to take the support from this level and it is trying to bounce up. Did the price come back to this level? No. So we'll try to mark the next support level where it is over here. See here again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The price is almost staying here at the level, at this level, for almost 2 hours, okay, more than 1.5 hours. So you can mention this as our one more support level. So this is our support, and here you can see that the price is not trying to able to move across this above line. So this will be mentioned as our resistance level. So here you can mark as your resistance level. This will become your resistance level. When the price does not exceed a level, a particular level, like level in the sense here it is 395. When I say 395, 396 range, this range, okay, 395 to 396 range, the price is not able to move up. So that price, that level is called as resistance level. The price where it is not able to move down is called as the support level. What happens with the support and the resistance? We should actually, the basic simple rule is we should buy at the support and sell at the resistance. There is nothing but the support. Once again the support, we find a level at the support with an indication, with a positive indication, that time you are supposed to buy at that level. So once the price went from here, it came back to the support zone, and see, you see, this is the selling candle, okay, this is the selling candle. Just a second. So here you can see this is our selling candle, this huge candle, right? This is our selling candle. When I say selling candle, that should be dominated. When I say selling candle, that should be dominated. Okay. This level should be dominated. When it crosses this level, then this candle is dominated, you can take an entry over here. Okay. So that is the level where we have to make our entry at the support zone. So here is a level. This is our selling zone candle. This is the entry. So here you can make the entry at this level. This is the engulfing candle. Stop loss would be the low of this candle, the support zone. Wait for the target 1:2. Okay. So here our target has been done. The same way, now the price has moved to this level. Okay, here it has made a pause and it has got rejected from this level and it has straightly fallen down. So this level would be our resistance level. So we will be marking this level as our resistance level. So did the price come back to that level? No, it did not come. So we shall try to look to our next resistance level. So the price came over here and the price has given a stop over here. So you can mark this as your resistance level. Okay. So this is our resistance, this is our support. So when the price comes to the support, wait for the confirmation, wait for the candles like hammer, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, morning star, evening star, pin bar, and from the upper sides the dragon, the dojis. So you have such type of candles where it gives you the confirmation that there is going to be a price reversal. These are called as price reverse patterns with the candles confirmation. So let me know in the comment section that if anyone is interested in knowing deeply about this reverse candle patterns. So I'll try to make a video on that also. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Forget to like and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let us move forward. Please try to avoid such type of heavy candles because the stop loss would be very heavy. See, even if there is a confirmation over here and if this is engulfing, where would be our entry? The entry and the exit would be a problem because I usually target for the previous swings only is our target. Always focus on the small candles. Don't try to enter in such big candles because it gives you huge stop loss. See, I'll show you. The stop losses would be heavy. The stop loss is going to be heavy and the target is not going to be rewarding. So I better prefer you not to take such candles as into the consideration. So here this is our resistance. The price went over here, it started to move over here, and this is our this again same thing. It tried to engulf over here with such a huge candle. So where would be a stop loss? Our stop loss would be this one, our entry, and our target would be of this support level or this the same thing, the support level. So it would be risky when you take such type of huge candles, whereas this candle, you just see, look at this candle, you have a candle rejection over here, you have a bearish engulfing candle over here which is completely engulfed the previous candle. So you make an entry over here. So you make an entry over here with a stop loss of the high of this one, and you can place a target at your previous swing. So here you can see that the rewarding is at 1:2. So always try to focus on the small candles rather than entering into the big candles. And the support and the resistance, always give a notification to your support and resistance the times it has been respected. See here, this is the first time, this is the first time, this is the second time, this is the third time, and this is the fourth time. So I'll give you an example with a rope and a stone. When a rope is hit with a stone for the first time, it doesn't affect much the rope. But when you hit it continuously, a second time, third time, fourth time, the rope starts to become weaken. It tries to start to break. The same thing happens with the support and as well as the resistance. The multiple times the support and the resistance are being tested, the seller is trying to push the level down to the support level. It means that the seller is trying to put some pressure on the support and he wants to break that level and make the price to move to the lower level. So that is his point. So the same thing happens with the resistance. The buyer is trying to continuously push the level to the resistance level. It means that the buyer wants to make the price to break the resistance level and make to move the price forward. So the resistance also becomes weaker, the support also becomes weaker when it is multiple times tested. So always try to focus on the second touch or the third touch and try to avoid the fourth one and the fifth one. Know if you are trying to still preferable on the third thing. When the second time when the price is touching your support level, you can go with your full quantity. Yeah, like if you are trading at the lot size of the 10 lots, so you go with the 10 lots. When it comes to the third touch, try to go with 5 lots. So like you just try to make adjustment with the lot sizing. The price, see here, you can very clearly it is noticed that the price went up to this level, but the price pushed down. Again the buyers try to push this level. Did they make it up to this level? No, they could not. They try to push it at this level. They push the price down. Again it went up. The price pushed down. Price went up. The price pushed down. So every time you can notice that the price lower than lower. So you can tell that the price is getting weaker. The buyers are getting weaker. See, the buyer could not take the price higher than this level. So he could not push the level than this. So the price is getting weaker. This is a simple price action. So the price is, I mean the support is getting weaker now. See, he has tried to save this number of times, multiple times. Now here this support has been broken. And we also have a trend line over here. See. This is how the price exactly respects the trend lines. The price went up here, it came down. The price went up here, it made a movement. The price went up, it came down. Again the price went up here, tried to break this level. It could not sustain this level. Broken candle was not, high was not broken. So again it came it gave a move down. Again the price went to move up, it came down. So this is also a resistance. The trend line also is a form of resistance. The same way you get supports also on the trend lines. See, I can tell you. The same way, this is also a support type of support. See the trend line, this one, it is moving. The price came back to the support zone. It came back, it bounced. It came back, it bounced. Again it came back, it bounced. But did it break this level? No, it did not break. So again it bounced. And finally here there was a breakdown over here. And this is our target. So I'll prefer you, the beginners, not to trade this trend lines, because it would be supportive, because we cannot exactly find the potential of the price to move higher or the lower side. So it is better to avoid, for the beginners, to not trade on the trend lines. This is the support. This will act as our resistance, and the same way I said, as I mentioned, this will be our support trend line. So I hope this was a clear understanding of support and resistance. So the same thing I will be showing you in yesterday's Nifty chart. I won't be wasting much time. We will be quickly moving and be trying to, I'll show you the trades yesterday. We could trade with the support and the resistance. So the market opened over here. This is 22,500 CE chart. It is a time frame is 1 minute. Okay. So here you can see that the price opened over here. It started, here is the rejection level from the downside. So I would mark this as my first support zone level. Okay, I'll just extend it and I'll just leave off, because this market is not opened when this when I mark this support zone. This market has not been occurred still. Only this market is been showing. I just mark my trend line, I'll mark my zone and I'll just leave it off. When the price come back to the zone, then I would like to react. The same way, this is my first resistance zone. Just mark the resistance zone where the price is taking rejection and just leave it. Okay, so did the price come back to the support zone? No. Over here the price came back to the support zone. Did the price engulf over here? Did the price could engulf? No, they could not. Again the seller came, the seller dominated, tried to push over here. Did the price get dominated over here? Yes, the price got dominated. So I can make an entry with a small stop loss where the price is breaking this seller candle. So I can just place my stop loss, very small stop loss over here, and target for the previous swing. My target would always be the previous swing. I always prefer my previous swing as the first target. Either you can trail your profits or you can try to book at the previous swing level. It depends upon you. So again the price moved up from here. This is our resistance level. So the price came back to our resistance level. Did the rejection level, did it take it over here? No, it did not take out. So it broke this level. So there was no trade over here. Again now this becomes our next resistance level, because the price is getting rejected. So I just mark this resistance level to the extension. I just leave it off. The price came back again. So here you can see that here the price also is making a support level. So I mark this support level. So did the price come back to my support zone with any seller pressure candle? So here it did not make any seller pressure candle, so I did not consider this. And here the candle did not touch the support zone, so I did not consider this. Yes, here we can consider this, because here the seller candle came down and we got this one. But did it dominate the seller candle? No, it did not. It could not dominate the seller candle. So we should wait. You can also see that here there was a small support zone. It was again created. Yes, you can mention this as our small support. And once the price has broken the seller candle, you can make the entry. So this would be our entry. This could be our stop loss, and the previous swing, I mean to say the previous swing, the second candle is our target. Never try to aim the previous highs, because the seller would be highly activated at that level. So I do not prefer that. I would like to go with the buffering with the next candle, previous swing of the candle. So this is our support. Again this is our support trade. So again price here, it has come back to the resistance level. So here you can see that we are not doing option selling over here, but still I would like. So here, as the price is coming down, it has given a move here. So I'll be considering this again. I'll be marking this as my support zone. I have mentioned this one. So price, did it come back to the support zone? No, it did not come. Yes, here the price has come back to its support zone. You can see that. And the price here is getting dominated by the buyers as well. So I'll be marking my entry at this level and keeping my target for the previous swing with a stop loss at the below the support zone. So always there is a good ratio if you try to target the small candles rather than the big candles. The same way happens with the resistance. So here we are getting a I try to avoid trend line trades, because we can't exactly find the potential of the price to move up. So I would prefer to say that it is better if you are a beginner to go with the exact support zones and the resistance zone. So this is our resistance. Again the resistance came. So here you can see that here it is a good, very good rejection candle. After the rejection candle, the price has been engulfed over here. So here you can take the entry and you can wait for the target for the previous swing. So I hope this video was informative, helpful for the beginners. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.